Day 22 is a wrap. All right, it's the last day of the week. It's my first red day in fucking 10 days. I had 9 green days in a row, and I finally missed. I struck out. Whew. The baseball analogies are real, though. For real. They're really real. So I was in the hole, actually, this morning, $600. It was pretty depressing. Pretty demoralizing, to be honest. And, a little bit of revenge trading, for sure, and a little bit of, emotions. I kept going. Today, the beginning of the day, the mindset was, I am going to swing a home run. That was my mindset. And there's nothing wrong with it, but for some reason, when I took that mindset, I held on longer. I couldn't let go of certain stocks. I don't know. It seems like with that mindset, I was just not playing my A game. There was something wrong with it. So, my first trade was the same short, WKHS. It's a pretty strong stock, but it's been having so much parabolic strength. And I shorted it at 2030, something like 2030. It starts dropping and it actually goes to 1960. I'm in a good spot to take about $150, maybe $200 profit for the day. And I'm like, no, I'm going to go for this home run. So I just decide to hold. I don't even take half off. I sit there and I'm like, this thing's going to fucking go. Well, as soon as I saw the change in momentum, usually my mentality would be like, man, I can't hold this anymore. This thing's looking like it's about to reverse on me. I'd take it off. Well, because I wanted to try to get through all that conviction and saying, we're going to end this week with a huge home run. I'm going to hit this. I'm going to strike it. I'm going to fucking do it. Well, that backfired on me. And we went from 1960, 1970, straight up in literally 30 minutes, we hit a high of 2290. I do stop out, and I'm down, and I'm red, and I'm like, God fucking damn it. Because usually I would just take that first trade of the day, make my money, get out, almost like a scalp. Let's go. Let's wrap it up. Let's take the money and go. We would have had 10th green day. But instead, I said, I'm going to try to hit a home run today. And I really wanted to hit a home run. And I had to stop out because of it. So, I do re-enter my trade. I do reshort. I reshort at 2176, which was probably emotionally anticipation. We had to hold through a lot. We get through it. And we finally take profits down at 21, I think, 20. My conviction, I did mess up a little bit because my conviction was that this was going to go to 2020. But I didn't realize there was a red to green line at 2037 or 38. And I should have definitely looked at exiting around 2050, 2040, 2045. So I messed up a little bit there because I actually would have made green on the day off that trade. But the thing is, I had to go through an emotional roller coaster, and I potentially could have lost $600 today. I could have lost $600 today. It could have been a $600 loser day. If 23 were to break, I would have been down $600, maybe $700 after fees, and I would have just had this miserable fucking day where I gave back all my goddamn profits. So, huge lesson today. I think the mindset with trying to hit a home run isn't for me. I think what I need to do is play my game correctly. Yes, if things look strong, scale out. Don't try to hit your home runs. They are worth it when you do, but you need to scale out. You need to lock in profits. You need to make sure you're safe. You can't just get into a trade and then hope to hit your targets. And I technically did it twice. I did it twice. I held through this whole entire phase of 2170 all the way up to 2290. And I held all throughout that. And I wanted to hit my target. I didn't hit my first home run and I stopped out. I want to hit this target. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. And you know, you just got to really make sure you're keeping yourself safe, because there were moments in today's trades where there just could, like, who would have known? What if just one more hedge fund decided to buy up at $22.90 and say, let's pump it? Because the target price is 26 technically. It is weak. It shouldn't be going up. It's parabolic. It needs to come down eventually. It needs to set a pullback, but it is still super risky. You never know who's on the other side just buying this shit up. So I could have lost a lot today, and I'm very fortunate that I did not. We ended up being down $70 after all the fees today, so we went from down 600 to down 70. Not a bad day. So honestly, hindsight's 2020, man. This was an amazing day. So just make sure next time I know we are not hitting home runs. We're going for the safe, conservative trades. If home runs are given to us, scale them out. Don't fucking just try to hold through it. Scale them out. So that's the lesson for today, man. Day 22. We're ending the week still green, which is great. But our first red day in 10 days. That's pretty damn good. I'll take it. I will see you guys next week. Monday, when we're all reopening. You guys have a happy 4th of July. Shoot some fireworks for me. Yeah, I'll see y'all next week.